There's a...
Put the light up on top there. Oh, it's almost like aluminum.
Yep. I got a board back there we could use it and strike down with it or something.
What I'm trying to do is get this pin out without breaking anything else.
Oh yeah.
Because if we can get it out, then all you're going to have to do is put a new bolt in this.
Right. Just put a rivet in there actually. That one, I rivet gun. Yeah, excuse me, officer. Lloyd, I don't think I've ever seen you wear a baseball cap.
What an Angie got me. No.
He was just trying to bring that up. Donna ain't gonna like that now.
This is a yeah. Donna ain't gonna like.
Right.
Donna is not gonna like that.
I didn't.
I almost like catch it right away when all of a sudden. Try splitting it there and prying up. Between that rivet gun?
Questions about whether it falls on the legit with all the things he believes. Like I'm gonna either back him up or I got a different story, you know?
This is my son's pickup. He calls me and goes, "What's up? I just locked the keys in there." What? I said, "Yeah, I locked the key in there." "What are you doing?" I said, "I can't talk right now."
Who'd you call?
Junior called me.
Then you told him that Kurt broke the windshield trying to get in there.
Am I coming the other side of you?
Yeah. Somebody's going to right now.
That's it. That's his.
Huh? Mine? Hello. Hello. Hi, I'm trying to help a friend of mine get his keys out of the car. We're trying to open a window here. I'm over on Broadway toward Perkins.